right, now we are going to do a signature email template on Real Geeks. Real Geeks is a little bit different, but not too bad. So you're going to click on the settings button off of the regular page, hit your profile. From your profile, so you need to put in as much of this information as possible. The reason being is because you can use these fields in a mail merge. So I've got everything filled out right here. Here's my email signature. So what's the difference in this email signature? Well, first of all, it is not HTML, so it makes life a little bit more difficult off of everything that's going on. So my email signature is pretty basic. I just got that right there. I'm going to add in the wire fraud information. They're already going to know it's coming from me because it's Man of Realty in general. Make sure you have your picture on there, everything else. So right here is what I was talking about, the mail merge fields. You can see all these right here that you can add into your account. So you can write an email and have these different links in here. But if you don't have your phone number or office number or cell phone number, blah, 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 that you want to have in there, email signature, then it's not really going to work very well. Okay, so I've done everything I'm going to do. And then I am good to go off of that. So what I'm going to say is the email signatures suck on here. We know that, right? Correct? Okay. But if you look at your templates and you go to the email templates, these are HTML. So if you look down at the bottom, it's got everything in here. So it's got the two different addresses and phone numbers and everything else. So if you wanted to send a templated email, it actually would have all the information in the bottom of it, of office phone numbers, everything else. You would have to add your own information. So I could come in and send a link. So if you look right here of like the blank template, this literally has nothing extra in it. So this is where you would type your information, yada yada yada, and then it's got this right here. It does not have your own personal information in it. So if I wanted to send my own personal information, I could go here and I could go to agent first name, agent last name, add my cell phone number, whatnot, and send a template. I am showing you based off of me editing them. If you want me to send one, I'll show you this way. Alright, so if I want to send an email, how do I do it? I hit the email button. I select the template that I want. So let's go to blank template. Look, it's a nice pretty blank template. It's like, hi, I don't know what all I want to put in there, but I can type whatever and blah blah blah. I can type in everything I want to. You can make your own email templates inside of Real Geeks. And go that way. You can add a video, you can add a picture, you can add a link. Remember, this is how you do the links. But if I wanted something that was the move to invitation, huge, great, there you go. Here it is. It's got my information right here. So because it's got my name right here. It's got my information already in here because I typed it in there for you guys to be able to send that way. So that's how you actually use the email signature inside of Real Geeks. It's much more simpler, but it's just the way it is. So you cannot send a fancy dancy email signature. You'd have to do it all inside of a templated email, which you can create on your own. Let me know if you got any questions.